Chris Make Automotive, another Motor Minute, and today we're going to go ahead and discuss traffic circles, because traffic circles are pretty much a norm now, almost everywhere you go, and a lot of people get confused on how they work. And it actually is really simple because all it is a big intersection. So treat it like an intersection and everything will work out. And what I mean is you've got two lanes going into the traffic circle. Just like an intersection, if you're in the right lane, basically your choices are go straight or turn right. If you're in the left lane, basically go straight or turn left. So you come into a traffic circle, you know you want to turn right, make sure you're in the right-hand lane. This way, if both lanes want to go straight, you go through the circle, both lanes go, there are no problems. If you are making a turn, you kind of go opposite of each other. So that is basically the only rule on a traffic circle, except maybe get into the circle, which is also pretty much common sense. Go ahead and yield to anybody who's in the circle if you're trying to enter. So, just like merging onto a freeway. There's a car coming, that car's gone, merging behind, and you're all set to go. It's your turn, and you get to go through without incident. So, hopefully that puts a light on traffic circles for you. Once again, it's H&I's Motor Minute. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram.